This is Tadoussac, Quebec. This is one of the oldest settlements in North America. It was settled in 1600, and it was a trading post with native folks, and so it's one of the biggest whale watching centers on eastern North America, and it was also a holiday vacation place. And this is the landmark Hotel Tadoussac. Just a gorgeous place. It's the fall here, as you can see. Pan back down. And this is the bay. And that's the St. Lawrence River, although the river kind of ends around Quebec City. This is the sea, the Atlantic Ocean, and with tides, you can see a ship way over there in the distance. And we're out here for a whale watching excursion. Obviously it's very French, you can hear French. It's a beautiful spot. It's going to cross over here. Little graveyard. Walking. Tide's out. We'll see you in a second. Let's walk down here. That tide's way out. Hey, look at that, eh? Dog running on the beach. So from this, from Tadoussac, this area, you can see up to 19 species of whales, and it's one of the few places that you can watch whales from the shore, because it's very, very deep here. There's a fjord sort of just behind that spit of earth. On the other side is the beginning of the Saguenay Fjord. It's very deep, so the whales come close to shore. We saw them the other day. Some minkies, a pod of minkies. There's their dog again. It's always nice to watch dogs on videotape. But just a gorgeous spot. Hopefully we'll see some whales this afternoon. So this is Tadoussac.